So Sally and I are definitely ready to do some decorating for autumn. I think we'll wait to do the Halloween bits. I know what Sully can see in there. He can see some of his TOYS's from last year, so we'll get them out in a minute, okay? I think what I'm going to do today is just some of the garlands and also some cleaning motivation for you guys as well. Hang on, wait a minute please. I have Virgin River on. Have you guys been watching the new series on Netflix? I really enjoyed watching it last year. I started watching it from the beginning last year. I think there's been 2 series and this is the 3rd. Oh no, it's the 4th. This is the 4th season. I love where it's set and it's just so wholesome. Although there's a bit of drama that goes on in Virgin River, on the whole I just love how beautiful it is. So I'm going to be watching that while doing some of this, and we're going to get some of Sully's toys out as well. The sun is actually coming out now. It has been raining the past couple of days and it was raining this morning, but it's going to be a beautiful day. So let's get on with some cleaning and decorating. shared this on YouTube stories, but I spotted this on TikTok and I thought it was from Asda, but I discovered it is from Tesco. It's a pumpkin spice cold brew coffee. I'm a big fan of this coffee anyway. This one's empty, by the way. I've just bought another one and I add it with ice to my Starbucks cup. It was £2.70, I believe, and there's 750 mils in there, which is obviously a lot cheaper than picking up a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. You get about, I think, 2 full cups of this. They also had from this brand, this one to me, it looked autumny, but it was kind of like a basic flavour, but it was new, so it was caramel oat. I nearly picked that one up, however, I just really like this one. But I am going to purchase some of the pumpkin spice morning, I think it's called the brand, syrup from Amazon, so that I can make my own. But of course, if I do go to Starbucks, I do love a pumpkin spice latte.